Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted websites from Google AdSense. If you've got sites in your account that you're no longer using or want to clean up your portfolio, this quick process will help you get that done in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. Once you've arrived at the page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the correct Google account that's associated with your AdSense, as this will give you access to all your site management tools. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the AdSense dashboard. Here, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Sites. This is where Google keeps all the websites you've connected to your AdSense account, making it easy to manage and monitor each one individually. Once you click on Sites, you'll see a complete list of all your websites that are currently linked to AdSense. Take a moment to scan through this list. You'll be able to identify each site along with its status and performance metrics, which helps you decide which ones you want to keep and which ones you'd like to remove. Now locate the unwanted website you want to remove from your account. It could be an old project, a site you no longer maintain, or simply one that's no longer generating revenue. Whatever the reason, finding it on this list is your next step. Right beside the website name, you'll notice a trash can icon. This icon is your quick access tool for deleting sites from your AdSense account. Go ahead and click on it. This action signals to Google that you want to remove this particular site from your network. After clicking the trash can icon, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. Google does this to make sure you're certain about removing the site, as this action can affect your ad placements and revenue streams. Review the message to ensure you're deleting the correct website. Then click Continue to confirm your decision. And that's it. The unwanted website has now been removed from your Google AdSense account. Your site list will refresh and you'll no longer see that website in your active portfolio. This keeps your account organized and focused on the sites that matter most to your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.